I have a 2017 Honda Civic. Try to close the moonroof and look, it bounced back and it won't close all the way. And try again and boom. So how do I fix it? And let's find out how to do it. So here's the problem. We saw that it won't close all the way, it bounced back. So first thing I want to find out if there's anything in between blocking it, because if things block it, it will try not to close it and bounce back. So let's check the rail or anything that obstruct it. I don't see anything here. Over there, let me go over there and take a look. See anything blocking it on the way? Keep it from closing. So let's do the next step to reset the moonroof. Alright, after I have done some research online, there are a few steps that I want to try to see if I can fix that moonroof that is not closing properly. So the first step is make sure your driver's side door is closed and your car is fully off, totally off. Then we turn to the buttons for the moonroof, and there's a tilt button. You push it in all the way. Make sure you don't touch the open and close button, only the tilt button, and keep holding it and won't let go. And use the other finger to hit the start button twice to turn on the car. And if your car has a key and not the start button, turn it all the way on without starting the engine. And the other finger still pushing in the tilt button. Now you can let go of the tilt button and then turn the car off by hitting the start button. One important thing is that the process of from hitting the tilt button to turn the car off has to be less than 5 seconds for it to work. Otherwise, it won't work. After you've done all this, we need to find out if the moonroof has been reset successfully. That can be done by pushing the close button one time to see it will automatically close the moonroof. If it doesn't do it automatically and you manually do it, now it resets successfully. Then there's one more step you have to do so that you can close it or open it automatically. Push the close button manually until it fully closes and hold that button for 3 seconds. Next, to hit the open button manually until the moonroof fully open, and then while it's fully open and keep holding it for 3 seconds. Okay, let's do it. I just got it fixed. Let me show you what I did. First, make sure the driver door is closed. Use one hand to push in the tilt button and keep it holding in there. The other hand, push the start button twice, 1, 2. You turn the car on, then release the tilt button and turn the car off. Then repeat the same process for 3 more times. Push in the tilt button, turn the car on again, and then release the tilt button and turn the car off. Like that. Again, tilt button on, turn the car on, and then tilt button off, turn the car off. You may see the moonroof keep opening, closing to tilt, and then open and closing the tilt. Don't worry about it, just keep the same process like what I did. Eventually finishing the last step, turn the car off. In my case, the moonroof opening all the way. Now I want to see if it has been reset. So just hit the open or close button one time to check if it will open or close automatically. If the moonroof doesn't move, you reset successfully. Now move to the next step. This step is to open or close the moonroof manually, like pushing the close button until the moonroof fully closed. After it fully closed, keep holding it for 3 seconds. Then push the open button and open the moonroof manually. After it completely open, keep holding the button for 3 more seconds. Just like that. Alright, now it's time to check to see if everything fixed and works by pushing the close button once and the moonroof should close automatically. Wow, it closed completely. Looks good. Next, hit the open button once. Now it opened automatically as it's supposed to without any hiccup. Thumbs up for myself. Good job, and hit the close button once and close the moonroof completely. This is how I fixed the closing problems of the moonroof by resetting the system. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button.